Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SSM Session Manager for secure shell access step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service. In the left navigation pane, select Session Manager. Ensure that your AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) role. Create or verify the IAM role associated with your EC2 instance. The role should have the AWS Managed Policies, Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core, and a suitable logging policy. Next, verify that your EC2 instance is running an Amazon machine image that supports SSM. If necessary, install the SSM agent on your EC2 instance. For Amazon Linux or Ubuntu, the SSM agent may already be installed. To install it manually, connect to your instance using SSH. Run the appropriate command for your operating system, such as sudo yum install Amazon SSM agent for Amazon Linux. After installation, start the SSM agent service. Use the command sudo systemcll start Amazon SSM agent to start the service. Confirm that the SSM agent is running with the command sudo systemcll status Amazon SSM agent. Next, ensure that your This may require configuring your virtual private cloud (VPC) settings. If your instance is in a private subnet, add a NAT gateway for internet access. If using VPC endpoints, configure them for Systems Manager and SSM. Now, return to the Systems Manager console. Select Session Manager in the left navigation pane. Click on Start Session. Choose the instance you wish to connect to from the list. Click on Start Session to initiate the connection. A new browser-based shell session will open, providing secure terminal access. You can now manage your instance without needing SSH. All actions will be logged for auditing purposes. You've successfully installed and accessed SSM Session Manager for secure shell access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.